Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well, guys.
As I told you previously, I changed the material. That one was fragile, and these are the materials which I was cutting. You see, I have the brackets, the corner brackets, the stepper motor holders, the X axis, Z axis, these L brackets are for the end corners, and I have two versions of the corner brackets. Those ones and these ones here. These ones are for the aluminum extrusion making the 90 degrees, which are vertical. And of course, I have everything: electronics, heater bed, bearings, stepper motors, nozzle, stepper motor holders, control board, belts. Yeah, I'm using a GT2 timing belt. Yeah, the nozzle is 24 volts. I have a DC motor, still 24 volts. Stepper motor holders. Heat screws, smooth rods. Yeah, everything. We need heater bed and cold robot. This one I shown it previously in the previous video part 1. And I have the wire, the cables for the stepper motors. These are the L brackets, the corner brackets I was talking about. And these ones to fit here, as you can see, they are not the same because I want it to be strong to support the vertical shaft. And these ones have it down. So we're wasting a lot of time. Let's do this.